Hello everyone, welcome to our English class. It's Miss Huyền again. How are you today? Very good, I'm fine, thank you. Okay, so now before we start the lesson, let's sing a song with me. Are you ready? Today the song is A Little Bird. Now look at teacher, hands up. Let's sing along with me. A little bird in the tree, sing a song, sing a song. I like birds, When you sing, I feel happy. Very good. That's a really easy song. So now let's sing it again. A little bird in the tree, sing a song, sing a song. I like birds, When you sing, I feel happy. Well done, everyone. So now, look at teacher again. Hand, clap your hands. Arm. Fold your arms. Now sit nicely. Are you ready for the lesson? Well done everyone. Ngày hôm nay chúng ta sẽ tiếp tục bài số 1, Unit 5, Animals, trang số 33. But before we start the lesson, trước khi bắt đầu bài học, let's play a game to review the words. Con cùng ôn tập lại với cô nhé. So everyone, look this way. Let's read cat, dog, bird, elephant. Very good. Now this game you have to listen to the sound and tell me what animal is it. Trong trò chơi này con sẽ phải lắng nghe và sau đó nói cho cô biết đó là con vật gì. Now, you ready? Let's play. Number 1. So, can you guess what animal is that? It's a dog. Okay, now can you tell me what does a dog say? It says woof woof. Woof woof. Very good. And next one, number 2. Listen. What animal is it? Very good. It's a bird. Can you tell me what does a bird say? It says tweet tweet. Very good. Tweet tweet. Tweet tweet. Very good. Now, listen. What animal is it? It's a cat. Very good. What does a cat say? It says meow, meow. Very good. The last one. Listen. What animal is it? It's an elephant. Very good. Elephant has a very long nose. Right? Elephant. Okay, let's read with me again. Cat, dog, bird, elephant. Very good. Let's say it in a full sentence. I like cats. I like dogs. I like birds. I like elephants. Very good. Now let's continue our lesson. Open your book, page 33. Right, we continue with exercise D. Point and say. Look at the picture. Point to dogs. Very good. Now, next one. Finger. Point to cats. Very good. Finger, point to birds. Good job. Okay. We say one cat, but two cats, three cats, four cats. Okay. Con hãy nhớ thêm S nếu như con thấy có nhiều hơn một con nhé. Very good. Now everyone, let's say dog, one dog. Bird, 1, 2, 3, 4 dogs. Good. And one bird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birds. Good. And the last one. One cat. 1, 2, 3, 4 cats. Well done. Now everyone, you point to the animals and say, I like cats. I like. Okay? The first one. I like cats. Good job. Next one. I like dogs. Next one. I like birds. Very good. Again. I like cats. Good. I like birds. And I like dogs. Well done. Now let's play a game. Okay, so in this game you have to look, read, and point to the animal. Now, let's read with me. I like dogs. Again, I like dogs. Now, point to dogs. Dogs, yes or no? No. Dog, no. Dog, yes. Now, point to dog. Yeah! Very good. And next one. Let's read. I like birds. Again, I like birds. So let's find birds. Bird, no. Bird, so where is bird? Very good, in the tree. Yeah! That's good. And next one. Let's say, I like cats. Again, I like cats. Very good. So cat, point to cat. Very good. Okay. Now let's see how many stars we got. 1, 2, 3 stars. Well done. Okay, it's time for workbook. Let's take out your workbook. Hãy cùng cô lấy sách bài tập ra nhé. Okay, everyone, let's open your workbook, page 30 and 31. Sách bài tập trang 30, 31. Exercise A, draw lines. So now look and tell me what animal is it. Number 1. It's a cat. Very good. Cat. Cat. Well done. And can you tell me what does a cat say? Con mèo kêu như thế nào? Meow. Very good. And number 2. What is it? It's a dog. Very good. Dog. So, draw lines to dog. And can you tell me what does a dog say? Con chó kêu như thế nào? Woof woof. Very good. And the last one, number 3. What is it? It's a bird. Very good. Bird. Let's draw line to bird. Well done. Can you tell me what does a bird say? Tweet, tweet. Very good. And next one, exercise B. Look, read, and tick the box. Number 1 is a bird. That's good. Bird. Now, tick the box. Good. And number 2, what animal is it? It's a cat. Very good. Cat. Right here. And number 3, what animal is it? It's a dog. Very good. Dog. The dog. Very good. Right. So now we move to exercise C. Listen and tick the box. Now before we listen, let's read out loud. Dog. Oh, let's count. 1, 2, dogs. Okay? Dogs. Remember, 1 dog, but 2 dogs. Very good. Birds. Good. Cats. Birds. Very good. Now listen and tick the box.
C. Listen and tick the box. 1,
I like dogs.
2,
I like birds.
Very good. Now let's listen again and check with me.
C. Listen and tick the box. 1,
I like dogs.
Repeat. I like dogs. Very good. Now you tick in the box. 2.
2,
I like birds.
Again. I like birds. Very good. Now tick to the birds. Have you finished? Now let's move to the last exercise. Trace and draw lines. Okay, use your pencil and trace the animal. Number 1. What animal? What animal are these? Dogs. Very good. Now, let's say I like dogs. Again. Very good. Now, draw line to I like dogs. Number 2. What animal are these? Cats. Very good. Now, let's say I like cats. Again. Great job. Draw line to I like cats. And the last one. What animals are these? Birds. Great job. So now, let's say I like birds. Very good. Draw lines to bird. I like birds. So we have finished workbook. Let's review the words. Vậy là chúng ta đã hoàn thành bài tập rồi. Con hãy cùng ôn lại từ với cô nhé. Let's say I like cats. Again, I like cats. I like dogs. Good. I like birds. Very good. I like elephants. Very good. Okay, one more time. I like cats. I like dogs. I like birds. I like elephants. Very good now. Chúng ta đã hoàn thành bài đầu tiên của Unit 5 Animals rồi. Các con hãy đọc bài và ôn bài thật là nhiều lần nhé. So, it's time to say goodbye. Everyone, goodbye teacher. Goodbye everyone. See you next time.